Hi guys, I am back with another free Notion template. This one is just a simple weekly overview. It has a checklist for each of the days, and it has a little section down here with prompts. It has an archive and a new week button. So I made the cover, the icon, the dividers, and these weekday cards all in the same color palette. I use Affinity for all of my designing, Affinity Designer, Publisher, sometimes Photo. But anyway, so I imported them in so that we could get this kind of cohesive look here. And here, I'll show you what it looks like. I'm just going to use Shift, Windows, L. I use a Mac, but I use a Windows keyboard. I'm not quite sure of the shortcut on Mac, but you can switch between light and dark really easy. So I like to do this because I have some templates I like to use in dark mode and some I like to use in light mode. So the way it works is you fill out your to-do list for the week here. There's some notes if you need. You can move these around if you need, if you'd like your Sunday to be the first day. You fill this out. And then at the end of the week, you can leave it as is. You don't have to delete it for the next week or anything. You just toggle this closed, and then you grab it and you put it in the archive. And I've done this a couple times just to make sure it was working. These would all obviously have different dates for the different weeks. And then there's everything that you previously had in previous weeks. So you can keep track of your progress, old journal entries, things like that. This is a super simple page that you can just drag into, any other template that you might have, or you can just keep it on the side. And then when you're ready to start a new week, you click the new week button, toggle it open, and you're good to go. So, and I have changed this in the new, so that when you download, we'll have an L there. I left that out. So I wanted to show you how easy it is to grab this and my other free templates. Let me switch screens here and I will be right back. Okay, so here I am on my website, speconaspec.com, and I'll go ahead and link that in the description below. And here's where I post with all of the free templates. So if you want this one, you can either go here to the post that I wrote about it. It just has a little bit more information about it. Or you can see it's over here in the shop. So you'll click the button here to go to it, and it has a name your price. So you just put in 0, and then you're able to add it to your cart. And then once you check out, you will get a PDF that, let me see if I can pull it up here. Okay, so here's the PDF that you will get once you go through that purchase. It's $0. It's just set up like a purchase. You will get this PDF, you open it up, and you can just click right here, and it'll take you right to the template. Make sure you're logged into the Notion account that you want to duplicate this into. So once it's open, you'll just click duplicate, and then it'll automatically go over to your Notion, whether you're using the desktop app or the web browser. And this is the same process for all of my free Notion templates so far. And some of my other free stuff on here. But you can do the same thing. You can go through and you can add all of these free ones to your cart at once. Check out, download all the PDFs, and then you will be able to import it into your Notion app. So let me see if I have anything else. Yeah, so you can also replace these. You can delete these dividers if you want. You can change your icons here. So let me know what you think if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.